Hey everybody, it is Sunday the 12th of July 2026, 79 degrees at 6:05 p.m. Just thought that would be a good thing to start on since it was right where I was. Anyway, we're in the Seaport district and it's the Sail Boston Festival. Yesterday I recorded the sale of ships. It was fantastic except I got roasted by the sun. And now we've come back to just walk through and see the ships in their berths. I saw a couple of them yesterday. It's just amazing to see. And there, one of the ships, there were like, I don't know, 50 of them. The sun's in a bad position. Because if I can't from over here. Sorry, I'm trying to find a spot. Okay, those people on that ramp are going down. So, let's see. Do that. And there you go. Now you can kind of see how tall it is.
Yeah, I tracked you. Are you going? You're walking along the water? Oh, okay.
Right. Yeah, that's. Oh, see, I would not be able to step over that. That's balance issues. But it's interesting to just see more. I mean, they came from all over the world. Some across the Atlantic. One's from Germany. Huge ship from Germany. Second biggest. A lot of them, they teach sailing. There you go. They're checking things out. It's nice also to see the skyline. Maybe I can. It would have made a good thumbnail. We'll try. Nope. Here I'm in the shadow of the mast, I think. Who knows? Just do it. Alright. There's that. Let's go. Oh, it's first time. This is one of the things we do. We just go around and see different events. This one, like I said, is Sail Boston. And there's ships from 20 countries here. And they're berthed all around. Some are over in Charlestown, which is over that way. But these are here. Here's this one. And you can pause them if you want to, spend more time examining them. Or do what I did. Just pause it and take screenshots because they make great pictures. And I upload it in 4K, so you should get a nice photo. I wouldn't really need to look up much on that one, do I? There you go. I don't know if I don't see signs saying where they're from. I did yesterday where I was at, which we're going around to, so we'll cut in to the right flow of traffic right now. And we'll stop. By the way, this is Fan Pier. You can see the pirate. Let's see if I can do this. People are in the way, but that's okay. But you're fine. Pirate. I see the pirate. That was funny. Sometimes we do silly things, and that was one. Okay, I'll forget. If I go back up to somebody. Okay, see all the flags in this one over the top. Maybe it is easier from over here because you get more of it. So that's where the pirate was. Usually I go down with this and back up Back with the, what was I trying to say? The iPhone taking pictures. I'm distracted when I'm looking at interesting things and trying to walk because I can't do it all at once anymore. Balance issues. So there's that. It's pretty. Yesterday they did have signs. Today they don't. You can look at the flags and figure it out. But... Sorry. Yeah, this one has a pride flag at the top. For those of you allergic to rainbows, I'm very sorry. Yeah, there it is. It's hard to see in a small screen.
I asked you to pay attention for a second and you can't.
She was probably high on horse. The way she was holding her arm. Not moving. Reality in today's world, and we should be doing something about it, but instead we just think we can arrest our way out of it. Just like I think we can bomb our way out of issues. But we can't. Okay. Off of soapbox. Cut over here so you can get a little better look. I go down on the cobblestones, but they give me trouble. Get back in the flow of traffic. Let people pass. Nice little park, picnic area. I walked down here a few weeks ago. Actually, twice. No, once. There's a 90-mile walk that I'm doing that goes around the perimeter of the city, but I haven't had time to do it because it's either something like this or it's too hot. There's a harbor cruise. Pull up on a Sunday evening. I've been on a couple. They do things for veterans here. Back home, I don't know, you get to go down and stand there while people clap at a Pacers game. And I never got invited to do that, but anyway. There's a tiki boat. See the sailboat up there? That's one of the boats, and then there's another one behind it. People are totally missing it. Oh, I'd say some of the people that they think it's creepy, so I'll just look at that boat by ourselves. This is Fan Pier Park. I don't know why they have a fire pit going. It's not like it's going to be cold. Wednesday, the low will be 80. I guess they think they're all like this. They're not. I'm going to get over here for a minute. So yeah, it's there's one there, and there are two down there. One has 2 sails, and then the other one has 3 sails. Nobody's looking at me.
Pão duro do jeito, The more you try, the more stable you are. Yeah, as long as everyone stays down below. There we go. Oh, look, there's a whale on the right hand side.
There's a trash can right there.
I seriously don't see anybody even taking photos. I took a selfie yesterday with one of these, a couple of these tall ships. Okay, and then pull off the road. We'll spin around, right? Look at the cute waterfall. Alright, what you're about to see is Mayflower 2. This is how this came across the Atlantic with the colonists I just can't imagine crossing the ocean in this. I'll go up here and look. As long as I don't fall in. See the boats there again. See there? Would you? Got a little can. We'll kind of look from the top for a minute. All the ropes and stuff. Yesterday in the creative sale, they talked about, the narrator talked about how many miles of rope were on each one. I can't do these stairs. I gotta walk around.
Stacy.
Yeah, I don't know if the one behind. No, I don't think you can because nobody's going that way. Nobody's going this way either. I'm just bending sideways, twisting and turning. And stopping. Sorry. Yeah. Colorful building over there. This is the oyster house that we just walked around. People eating oysters. I'm not a seafood fan. Let's see. So you can see more there. I think we have to go this way to get there. Is anybody heard about your name adjustment? Who this guy is, probably Jesus.
Before actually हमारा backyard में
looks like a union. I love it when they just drive down the middle. And it's a double wide. I couldn't tell what language it was. It's the neighborhood bookstore. Now those balconies would be nice. I'm surprised there's nobody on them, to be honest. I would be. Not too high. I don't like heights.
Yeah, but here's the deal. Now you're gonna. But here's the thing.
World Cup was just here for June. We have 9 matches, I think 8. Four wide. Yeah, I get it. People walk slow. I walk slow, but 4 wide and then stop.
Your boat's big enough. There's so much to do.
Another little park. There's a Duncan, the Abigail Adams.
Thank you for being a big.
It's a ferry going somewhere. I don't know. It's a catamaran, so they have those. There's some that go to Provincetown, but this is not the place to get on that. Oh, they're still building them. The rails on the porches are wood. It's a good shot of that one. With all the flags. Although we'll see it here after we turn the corner. This is the Institute for Contemporary Art, Boston. I've never been. Oh, the unicorn sculpture is covered up, probably for this, so people don't ride it. See the ship off in the distance. It's only got one sail up. I always try to pull over when I stop. Sometimes I forget, but not often. This is the Patriot. Let's see that, yeah. People are all up on the steps. I don't like to step on them. I figured I'm gonna fall in. All the people, the parks. That's what I say here, parks. Oh, those are nice. There's people up in there walking. Oh, look, you can see them. Going that way. See, they're not patient. I can be patient. I can't look sideways and walk forward. If you're diabetic, don't ignore it like I did. That's all I gotta say. I try to do a public service announcement once per video. Set up it'd be nice out there. It's nice eating for a pint. Yeah, you do also want to subscribe because I'm going on a trip out of the country at the end of the year and you're going to want to see me. Oh, look at that. So, I try to keep this about 20 minutes under there. So I'm going to bid you adieu. Say love y'all. See you in the next video.